In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install .NET Framework on Windows 11. If you've ever tried to run an app on Windows 11 and it asked for the .NET Framework, this guide will walk you through a clean, safe install so everything works the way it should. First, open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser will do. Before you begin, it's a good idea to close other apps so the installer can update system files without interruptions and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. If you're using a standard account, have an administrator login ready, since Windows may ask for permission to proceed. Next, head to the official Microsoft.NET download page. You can search for Microsoft.NET Framework Download and look for the result on the Microsoft.com domain. This is important. Only download from Microsoft to avoid outdated or unsafe installers. On the site, make sure you're in the .NET Framework section, not the newer .NET, sometimes called .NET Core. They're different products, and many classic Windows apps still depend on .NET Framework. On the download page, choose the latest supported .NET Framework version for Windows 11. Microsoft typically offers a web installer and sometimes an offline installer. The web installer is smaller and downloads only what you need during setup, which is perfect for most users. If you'll be installing on multiple machines without internet access, the offline installer is handy, but it's a larger file. You may also see options like Runtime or Developer Pack. If you only need to run apps, the Runtime is enough. If you plan to build or compile apps that target this framework, pick the Developer Pack. Click Download, and when your browser prompts you, save the installer to a location you can find easily, like your Downloads folder. Once the download finishes, open the installer. If Windows shows a security or user account control prompt, choose Yes to allow changes. Follow the on-screen instructions. Accept the license terms, then let the installer check for prerequisites and copy files. This may take a few minutes. If the framework or parts of it are already present, the installer will repair or update as needed. When everything completes, you'll see a success message. If you're prompted to restart your PC, go ahead. Some components only finalize after a reboot. That's it. You've installed the .NET Framework on Windows 11 from the official source. If an app previously asked for it, try launching that app again. For the best stability and security, keep Windows Update enabled so future .NET patches are applied automatically. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.